Hey everybody, what's up? It's Dom here. Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to get the VR mod here, the experimental virtual reality setup for Gary's mod. First off here, I'll have a link down below to this workshop page that's going to kind of get you guys all set up here. First off here, we're going to click on the automatic install for the download installer. It'll take us to a little Discord app. Just give it a hot second. Alright, so I have this little file here, the VR mod installer bat. You just want to click on it. So as a precaution there, it'll have some stuff for Windows protecting your PC. You'll run it anyways there. I have this nice little command console here pop up. Give that a second too. Also, if you're curious for the safety and everything for the bat file there, for having the pop-up, you can open it up in Notepad++, and it'll actually tell you everything that it's doing there for the echoes and redirecting to get everything set up there. Here we have the VR mod module installer. What you guys will do is just hit 1 and then hit enter, and it will install it there or update it. I already have it installed here, so you don't have to worry about that part there. Then it'll be completely done, and you'll want to make sure if you have the Oculus, HTC Vive, if you have any other applications that you need to run it, in this case for Oculus, and you have this little store here. Already, make sure you have that up, and then go through it and make sure you have your SteamVR turned on there. As you can see, I have my headset on standby with my 2 sensors, and I don't have the controllers turned on at the moment. After that, we're going to launch Gary's mod. Alright, so I have this little thing here that says Gary's mod does not support VR. That's also because you guys are going to want to go in properties here and make sure you have the use desktop game theater while SteamVR is active turned off, by the way, if it's not already. And then, yeah, you'll hit OK there and launch it through. Alright, make sure you go under here for your add-ons, and what you want to do is click this little wrench icon, and you'll want to disable all of them. This is kind of important here. If you guys are having any problems, you could get lucky the first go around and have everything enabled that you want to play around with here, but I would say just disable everything, enable your VR mod. I have this little Arc VR thing here. I'll leave a link to it too for you guys there, so remind me if I forget, make sure to put in there. But it's Arc VR, then it'll be like some weapons, VR weapons there, because that'll be very important to kind of get more immersed there. With that being said, here we go back to our main menu, start new game. This does work for multiplayer, by the way, and then people can also see you and you can see them and like high five each other and whatnot. Go to GM construct single player, and we'll just start the game up there. Alright, so you got your single player world loaded up here. You're going to hit the tilde key, which is right beside the number 1 on your keyboard there. I'll have this little pop-up for the console. You're going to type in VR mod, which is going to be one word. The little VR mod menu will pop up here. Just leave everything default here, enable the HUD. Make sure though the use weapon world models is turned off. You have that turned on. Some other things you can mess around here as you would want to change them with like turning rate, controller oriented locomotion, stuff like that. You might want to mess around with there. Then you're going to hit start, give it a second, and wait for it. Alright, so I've unpaused it here. You can see where it says please focus on the game window. Take it back to monitor 1. Click on here, and you guys should be able to see me here with my hands and whatnot here. I'll have a video more in depth showing you guys some other cool stuff you can do. I'm using the Oculus Rift first generation there. So it does work with that, but it'll probably work best with the Valve Index to get all the little kinks worked out compared to some of the older VR headsets there like I'm using. But yeah, you can change it around with your dude. You can try around with some weapons and whatnot. You know, for instance, if I go in here to the spawn menu, I go to weapons, and then I will have that little pop-up there for the VR weapons I can use. So you can see, there we go. Go put the clip here, and then cock her back, and there we go. So yeah, guys, that's VR there in Gary's mod. It works. Yeah, and even on like the lower end VR stuff, it works. So hopefully you guys got something out of that. If you guys have any problems, why not leave it down in the comments. I'll help you guys out there. Other than that, stay safe, everyone, and I will see you guys all next time. Peace.